Ganitong sabon ang hinahanap ko matagal na super safe for my sensitive skin at pwedeng-pwede rin sa mga pregnant and lactating moms. Alam nyo, ang hirap talagang maghanap ng product for oily and sensitive skin kasi tingnan nyo, minsan kapag dumadami yung mga products na nilalagay ko sa skin ko, lalo siyang nagkakaroon ng breakouts. Second purchase ko na to for this product, ang Skin Mommy Gluta Collagen Soap with Vitamin C. Ito lang talaga yung glutathione soap na na-discover ko na very gentle lang talaga siya sa skin ko at hindi siya drying. Isa pa, buy one take one siya mga ate for less than 100 pesos. O diba sobrang sulit, especially for moms like us. Ideal to, gamitin araw-araw. Just rub the soap hanggang mag-foam and leave for 1 to 2 minutes before ka mag-rinse. It has glutathione for brightening, collagen for smoother and firmer skin, at syempre vitamin C para sa healthy glow. Hindi mahapde at hindi drying. And after maghilamos, ito na yung naging skin ko. As you can see, nag-brighten siya with the use of Skin Mommy Gluta Collagen Soap with Vitamin C. Best part is, buy one take one siya mga ate for less than 100 pesos plus FDA approved din. So mga ate, mag-self-care na and tipid pa. So check the yellow basket below.